Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Looking for a compact tablet that performs like a flagship and handles gaming like a pro? The Redmi K Pad might just be the perfect sweet spot between a smartphone and a full-size tablet. With top-tier performance, full-frame gaming, immersive audio, and a stunning 3K display, this device is redefining what a pocket tablet can do. But is it really worth your money? Stick around because we're diving deep into everything you need to know. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's check out the all-new Redmi K Pad. Right from the branding, the K Pad gives off a sleek, business-class vibe. The packaging features a bold silver and black color scheme that adds to its premium feel. The tablet itself is compact and easy to handle. Let's set the Redmi K Pad aside for a moment and look at what else is in the box. You'll find a 67-watt fast charger and a USB data cable included. The power adapter features a Type output, while the data cable measures approximately 99 centimeters in length. Let's begin with the dimensions and design of the Redmi K Pad. It stands at 205.13 millimeters in height, 132.03 millimeters in width, and has a slim profile of just 6.46 millimeters. Weighing in at 326 grams, it strikes a balance between size and portability. For most users, it fits perfectly in one hand, right at that sweet spot of comfortable handling. Despite its larger footprint, it doesn't compromise on portability. Interestingly, the SoC is positioned right at the center of the device, along with the motherboard and key internal components. This design choice not only keeps the heat source away from your hands, but also ensures a well-balanced weight distribution. Whether you're holding it with your left hand, right hand, in landscape, or in portrait mode, the grip feels stable and consistent. The variant in our hands comes in a stylish smoky purple color. It features a seamless all-metal unibody crafted using a nano-level ceramic sandblasting process, giving it a smooth and refined finish. The minimalist rear design subtly echoes the look and feel of Apple's iPad mini 7, adding a touch of familiar elegance. Let's talk about what brings the Redmi K Pad screen to life. This time, Redmi has customized an 8.8-inch LCD panel with a 3K resolution, delivering a sharp pixel density of 403 ppi. The display is incredibly crisp and detailed. In terms of screen-to-body ratio, it holds up quite well, offering an immersive viewing experience. By comparison, the iPad mini 7 suffers from noticeably thicker black bezels. And of course, if we're mentioning the iPad mini 7, we can't skip over refresh rates. The Redmi K Pad comes with a standard 120 Hz refresh rate, but it can boost up to an impressive 165 Hz. This means smoother animations and better responsiveness, easily outpacing the iPad mini 7 in terms of fluidity. When it comes to brightness, the Redmi K Pad reaches a peak global brightness of around 740 nits, with fairly even brightness distribution across the screen. It also supports Dolby Vision HDR Vivid, offering a comprehensive range of HDR video standards. Of course, since it's an LCD display, its HDR performance can't quite match the deep contrasts of an OLED panel. But even so, this screen pushes LCD technology to its limits. It's arguably the best LCD display in its class. Overall, the Redmi K Pad gives a very clear first impression. It's a compact, high-performance tablet that blends portability with refined visuals. Now let's dive into the performance configuration of the Redmi K Pad. It's powered by the Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 1 terabyte of storage. The tablet uses LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, ensuring high-speed memory and fast data access. This combination lays a strong foundation for performance. But raw processing power isn't everything. Thermal management is equally important. Besides centrally mounting the SoC and other heat-generating components, Redmi has also equipped the K Pad with one of the industry's largest vapor chambers, 12,050mm² aluminum alloy liquid-cooled VC. Initially, we didn't expect much from the cooling setup. It didn't feel extraordinary during casual use. However, real-world testing told a different story. Let's skip the speculation and jump straight into the gaming benchmark. As usual, we booted up Genshin Impact in a controlled environment. Room temperature at 25 degrees Celsius, screen brightness set to 200 nits with performance mode, furious mode enabled. The resolution was locked at 1080p with graphics settings maxed out at 60 FPS. We ran around the city for 30 minutes, constantly triggering skills and effects. The frame rate graph showed that the Redmi K Pad maintained a near constant full frame experience. It averaged an impressive 59.9 f, and even its 1% low frame rate held steady at 53.5 FPS, virtually eliminating stutters. The overall smoothness was excellent, and power consumption stayed efficient at just 6.7 watts. In short, the performance matched our expectations and even exceeded them in key areas. Let's talk temperature performance now. The Redmi K Pad's body reached a peak of just 41 degrees Celsius during testing, a clear sign that the internal cooling system is doing its job effectively. Now, some of you might not find that particularly impressive at first glance, but hold that thought. The real highlight appears when we look at its performance in Honkai Star Rail. Running at a high resolution of 1080p with visually intense scenes full of dynamic action, effects, and sprints during peak moments, the Redmi K Pad still managed an average frame rate of 59.6 FPS, keeping things buttery smooth. Of course, Honkai Star Rail is known for being demanding, and as expected, power consumption rose to around 8.8 watts. Even so, that's still an impressive figure for a tablet. For comparison, some high-end smartphones with 6.8-inch displays use over 8 watts under similar load, and compact gaming tablets often hit 10.8 watts in this same scenario. A quick look at the thermal imaging further confirms this. Heat is evenly distributed across the entire body, which enhances the efficiency of the cooling system significantly. In contrast, most other tablets show concentrated heat zones under load. All in all, the Redmi K Pad delivers a truly impressive gaming experience. And to top it off, it introduces a few unique features. Support for Genshin Impact's new 3K Super Resolution mode, cloud gaming, and seamless cross-device relay gameplay, making it a standout option in the world of portable gaming tablets. It also features the industry's first large-sized symmetrical dual speakers with a 2016 layout paired with dual 0815 X-axis linear motors, delivering an enhanced audio experience and more immersive haptic feedback. Now let's talk about charging and battery performance. The Redmi K Pad comes equipped with a single-cell 7500 mAh battery. We ran several tests to gauge real-world usage, but of course, your battery life will vary based on how you use it. For everyday tasks like watching videos, the battery life holds up well. However, gaming significantly increases power consumption, which is understandable given the screen size and device weight limitations. Interestingly, the Redmi K Pad features dual charging ports. This clever design ensures that, during use, you'll always have a conveniently placed port, letting you charge with one hand and game comfortably with the other. But keep in mind, only one of these ports supports both charging and data transfer. Additionally, the tablet supports bypass charging, which intelligently prioritizes direct power delivery to the motherboard. This helps maintain stable temperatures while still topping up the battery to some extent, making it a smart balance between performance, efficiency, and thermal control. Finally, let's wrap things up. The Redmi K Pad is truly a well-balanced and thoughtfully designed product. It smartly fills the gap between large tablets and smartphones, offering consumers a fresh and versatile option in the compact tablet space. Its performance is top tier, capable of delivering full-frame gaming without overheating. The overall gaming experience rivals that of dedicated gaming tablets. Add to that a sharp 3K LCD display, immersive dual speakers, and dual X-axis linear motors, and you've got an exceptional setup for both gaming and multimedia. On the software side, it runs the latest HyperOS, which brings a rich set of features and aligns well with modern user expectations. If you're in the market for a compact yet powerful pocket tablet, the Redmi K Pad is definitely a model worth considering. What are your thoughts on this tablet? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us on X for more tech updates.